How's it going? Here we are, Ragnar, 2018, Wawayanda. Yesterday, after first leg, tough leg, I had a masseuse, Dior, from Grae Therapy. Awesome. Worked out the lower back. Excellent. I live in the city, so I'll definitely check them out again. So thanks to the massage.
Well, you got me 12 extra miles without pain. Go figure.
This woman works magic. I highly recommend her. I'm going to have an awesome next leg because of that woman right there. Fantastic.
I could tell that I was in really good hands and everything felt amazing from start to finish. So I'm going to check out the website and probably make another appointment when I'm in the city.
The masseuse are really professional and attuned to your body's needs. Thank you.
Oh my God, everybody needs to go see Bonnie at Grae Massage. I came in pretty sore and tight and I actually feel great now. And I'm actually hoping that I'm just going to be able to keep running.